Hello there, Trader K back again from Trade Like Gann. So today I want to talk about the important stuff that you want to keep in check every day or week once you have done your research. Like in my previous videos that I shared, things that you should have before you want to trade a particular instrument from fresh. Last time we saw these points, right? Last time we saw these points, the important points that we need to have checked and done before we can trade any instrument, right? So now we need to check the points every single week, trading week, maybe on a Saturday or Sunday, so that we can check and go forward in trading. Okay, again, some of the points will be covered from previous topic, which are important, and others are new. This one, the story. Okay, I'll talk about it at the last. The next important news every single day before you sit to trade, you need to know is, do you have any news at specific time of the day? Okay, you want to know if there is any news today or not, because at that time there will be high volatility. Okay, so you can expect that beforehand. Then this is in the weekly basis that you want to check back every single cycles if everything is on board, or like everything is on track the way you are expecting, what is happening and what might happen in the future. You have an idea. Okay, then the angles, you definitely want to check every single week how they are doing. And why I'm mentioning here, because you don't want to trade while thinking of this. So while you're trading, you don't want to think about these stuff. You want to do either ahead of trading or after trading, or after the week when you are not trading. Okay, so the Gann angles, you must check and verify what is happening, where you are in the angle. Are you in the very bullish zone, or probably expecting more bullishness or not? It depends on which angle and what spot you are in, right? And then you need to check custom time range high low summary. This is, you see, not important for everyone, but I do it every single week. I run the data of every single week and see how did it perform, did it change, and uh, comparing other like standard stuff that I had before from maybe last 10 years. And so where are we in the range, in which ranges the highs and forms is occurring at right now? So is it on par with all my other study and how it is supposed to be? Then one more thing that you can check is the COT reports. I'm not going to explain a lot about COT reports. You can Google it. It's pretty easy, but it can give you an edge over just for weekly reports. Okay, to view the overall narrative and story of the week and months. So this does not actually, the stuff that are in weeks does not actually affect you when you are doing intraday, but you need to have all of these information in your mind. Now coming back to the first point that we skipped is the story of the day. Okay, every single day you should have this in your mind before you start. It does not matter what type of trading you are going to do, you need to have a story based on that trading time frame or trading area. By story, what I mean, let's say, for example, what is the story of this new zone, this new candle that will occur on Tuesday. Okay, so what I'm expecting? Am I expecting the breach of this high? Am I expecting the breach of this low? Or am I expecting an inside candle? And let's say I'm expecting an inside candle and then I see something else. What is my plan? The story is like the plan of the entire day, and we do not operate without preset plan. It doesn't have to be like every single day you have the plan has to be there for you to execute, but you should have a rough estimate. You should have a rough plan that what are you shooting for. Okay, let me get this tool. Where is it? That 1 second. Looks like I can't find this tool every single time I try to find it. Maybe is the this is the plan of the next day. I could have that in mind, but then if I don't see that happening, what do I do? Okay, so think about the contingencies, the backup plans, and how you are going to operate with it. Okay, this is really important for trading. It does not matter what sort of trading you do. Okay, you do position trading, then this is going to be more applicable in the weekly or monthly time frame, but the story remains the same. Let's say I do position trading, so I have these two levels marked that are very important, and I need to build a story that what happens around these levels. So I'm expecting something, I'm getting something. That is how you trade. So most likely I'm expecting a chop like this, then maybe a break, and then a push inside, immediate push inside. It can maybe take these lows as well, and then eventually a break again. So this could be my initial plan, and I could be totally expecting this. And the importance of this is if this happens, because I have a experience, I can estimate few things that can happen, and sometimes that does. So when that does happen, the goal is making the most out of it. Okay, so let's say I'm expecting this one, and what happened eventually is something like this. So even then, I did not plan exactly what should happen, but it happened kind of similar to it. So I need to understand how I'm going to play this. Okay, because you never exactly know what is the future, but you have an estimation what direction it's going to go, right? For that thing, we need to check all these boxes every single day and week. And that is how you extrapolate information into live trading. In other words, that is how you use your experience, information, and analysis to make money in the market. Okay? I hope you have a very good day. And this is one of the gifts, this entire series that I have done for people who are trading and not having good success. Is this is a very big gift to you. Okay, so use this to, you can include more points, you can have your own points, but remember, every single one who is successful in trading has a lineup like this. So you should also have a lineup like this. And how do you do the lineup? You have seen the entire series. So put more effort and see the video once again if necessary and create your own structure, okay, that you can follow every single month, every single week, every single trading day. Have a great one. Bye.